Well, guys, we had a pretty rough day today. We did get a couple fish, but you know, not like it's been, my man's been catching some fish and he's been showing me. It's just today was a really tough day. And you know, we put in some casts, but we did catch a couple. We managed to get a few bass and a couple reds, and you'll see in the video. It was just tough overall, but I appreciate Cody bringing me out, showing me some new areas. I appreciate that, and I got him for the next time. He's gonna come out with me, and I'm gonna show him some of my areas. So he has a little bigger boat, so maybe we can get in his boat and go catch some trout. So thank you guys for watching. Not sure what this video is going to consist of because I didn't film too much because I was in the boat with someone else, and you know, I just didn't film too much. We were talking a lot. So you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. Have a good one. We are here in Biloxi, and we are getting ready to go catch some redfish on some frogs. I'm screaming. I'm sorry. I'm so excited because I've been listening to some metal and going crazy in this truck. Like I get crazy when I'm listening. Like I just want to break my neck, and I get crazy. So I'm pumped. I'm excited. I'm sorry. I really didn't mean to scream, so I might edit that out. All right, guys. Hope you're ready for some frog, even bass. I don't know what's gonna hit it. Redfish in action. Okay, bye. It's a Saturday, and the jet skiers are in their natural habitat, and they're just the best kind of people.
In 1,000 feet, hey, your destination will be on the left.
No crap. Okay, thank you. Anyway, I don't know what to expect, but I'm excited. Let's do this. Okay, little update here. I was parked over there. You can't see, but some lady got out of the boat, right? Walked right by my truck. She has like a swimsuit on. Pulled her swimsuit sideways, was crouched over, and just started peeing all over the place. I was like, let me get away from her. I mean, she almost peed on my tire like some kind of animal. But I know you gotta go, but what? Okay, bye. Something was under it. Unless that was a mullet.
But long story short, like, I got over here and I messaged you a couple times. I caught a couple bass, and it was just like every time I would look away, you would hear it right up there by the grass. Just
way up there, huh? They like to get buried up there, man.
Yeah. And I've taken photos. They're like, nah, they don't. Them reds don't like the shallow.
Are you? Shallow's the best. I'm serious. I think it's mullet. Looks like a school of mullet right up in here. But something was messing with one of them.
Yeah.
Man, I've seen reds where their whole back is out the water, and it's literally 2 inches deep.
Oh yeah.
They love that stuff.
And I'm sure you've been there a bunch, but like, there's days where I'll be fishing and it's just, you catch your biggest reds and like, you think it's 4 inches of water.
Yeah, it's like, how do I not see the whole fish?
Yep.
You want to keep them? Got it.
I didn't know.
Oh, I love bass. Chatterbait bass. I almost thought it was grass. He was buried in there.
He was.
All right, where you want him? In the front ice chest or in the live well?
Up to you. We'll put them in the live well for now if you want.
All right, go ahead.
I think I got the.
Let me get my stuff off here. All right. First, he just lost the fish. That's my first bite. Chatterbait. Yeah, and that's the good thing about this chatterbait. You can just reel it right through. It doesn't stop it. I'm red, you know when they thump it.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
I love it.
there's no mistake. Yeah, I tell people the marsh bass, they taste different from a regular pond bass.
And they fight more.
They fight more and they taste better. And you can't hurt a marsh bass population.
Yeah.
There's a bazillion of them.
Yeah. They're always around.
Oh yeah. Yep, little red.
There's a red.
Little, I mean, it's a species we're looking for.
Exactly. Where's his brother?
Our first one. Dang, he's pretty. His colors. Look at that little thing.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Even them little things that hit the chatterbait. No, I need his grandma. No, I need his grandma. That's a bass. It looked like a red.
That's a big bass.
Frog bass. He crushed it.
Frog.
Got a frog. I thought it was a frog red, but I'll take a frog bass. Now you get to go with your friend. It's one of them days where you just keep them all because they're aggravating you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I paused it to make sure he had it, and I felt him swimming with it.
Yeah, that was sweet. I saw it disappear.
Heck yeah. Oh, I got a topwater bite. I'm good. A real one. It looked like a red for some. I saw orange. I don't know why.
Yeah, I saw color. Like I saw his head.
There you go. Buzz bait. Reaction hit. Hey, there you go.
It tastes good.
Oh yeah.
I'll give you some pretty good fish.
That's 3.
Look at the wind taking it.
Oh, as soon as you get off it, it's over. You'd think the wind would stop blowing one day. Just one. That bass was up there. If he hits it up there, there he is. Oh,
Oh my God. That's right where I saw him.
yeah. He had it. Doubled up. What is that?
Bass.
Bass. Mine's a red.
There you go.
Mine's a nice red.
A nice red. You need me to get the net?
We'll see. Not on the frog though, on the jig, but hey,
It worked.
desperate times. You got a nice bass. I heard him pop your bait.
Oh, look,
This is a good red.
nice red. Watch your foot real quick. And
Yeah.
Get the net. We'll just let
I swear if my line breaks, I know it's this rod.
Yeah. Oh,
That's a good red. That's a good red. You could just keep us out right here, or you can keep fishing. I'll net them if you want. Not trying to muscle him too hard.
Yes, sir. Let him tire out.
Yeah, he's a good one. I can tell by that head. Oh yeah, look at that one.
Getting tired too from the grass.
Hooked up, finally. Oh, it's been tough, but it's all worth it now. That's a brute. Look how gold. I'll get his head up in a second. Oh, come here, come here. Hold on.
I didn't want to go.
Yeah, I had to force him this way because I didn't.
Good. Oh, he's nice.
He's barely hooked. There you go. Woo!
Oh,
That's a good one there.
beautiful.
He crushed the dude on that point. Let me get him out of here for you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Sweet.
Oh my gosh, what a good one.
Sweet. Play hard to get today.
Yeah, that's a good one. Barely hooked.
Do you want me to get the stick? He looks a little small.
I was about to say, wait, are you crazy?
And we doubled up. That's the best part.
Right when you pulled, I pulled.
Like I said, I was like, oh, there he is. And then you said, there he is.
I knew mine was a red.
Oh, that's awesome.
On the jig, man. I don't think he was hitting the top water, to be honest with you. The way he was laying out here, he wasn't in the grass.
Yeah.
Oh, I needed that.
Yes, sir. Hey, good. That's the best fish of the day.
Yeah, that was worth it.
That's what I'm talking about. I at least wanted you to catch more.
Well, I mean, I wasn't questioning you. I was just like, this day is just one of those days. That's bigger than the ones I've been catching.
Is it really?
He's a little bigger, yeah. He's a good one.
That one looked at least 30.
Yeah, he was. And he crushed it. I seen that. I seen that.
He pulled my drag.
Oh my God.
Oh my, they might have got into him finally.
They might be right here on this edge.
I told you this is the honey hole.
I seen that.
Man. And I set the hook, but I think it was too late.
They got a drop off right here too.
Yeah.
Look at this water, it's black.
Oh my gosh, that was a legal one too, for sure.
I seen the wake.
He wasn't as big as yours by any means, but he was nice. Oh my gosh.
See how deep it is over here real quick.
Oh, that's a
Red. He was on the drop off. He was deep. Oh, that's a head shaker there. I'll get him. Yeah, do your thing. I'll grab him. Oh, that's a good one. The jig. I should have been jigging. I'm telling you. We got you a bass. I don't know if you remember me saying, when all else fails, use a jig.
Yep, I remember you saying that.
Oh, come here. Where you going?
6-inch fish, and you've got a.
I got a nice one. This is it's a thick one. I think there's a couple fish right here.
Yes.
Like in this stretch.
In the stretch?
Yeah.
We'll just keep turning around.
Because you could tell by the it's got a good drop off the edge, and he tagged it when I got to it. Yep. He's not as big as the other one, but he's big.
Oh,
I wonder if I could lift him. Get in here. Just throw him in the boat. Got 30 pounds. Yep, that ain't not no keeper though. I don't need to measure him. God, you're fat. Whew. Yeah. I just can't wait to get back down there. Oh, I'm trying to be quiet. Damn. There's a couple fish here. I mean, we went from no reds to
2 reds.
You lost one.
10 minutes.
Get back up there. Boy, he thumped it hard. It was a nice hit. Oh man. At that point, oh, he crushed it. Dang. It's a matrix shad with a 1/4 ounce jig head. I'm telling you, it's the stuff. Oh dang, I just typed my stuff. I didn't mean that. There he is. Redfish. Yep. They're in there. I knew it. I don't know about you, but you're getting in the boat quick because I know there's more. He might keep, huh? He'll keep. You want me to keep him? He's little, kind of, I think. Where's the end? Right there.
He's right at the tip. He got lucky today.
Don't worry, I'm about to grab another one for you. I'm about to grab you one right now. I feel it. This is the perfect area. There he is. Oh God, A giant ladyfish. That's why I got broke last time.
Oh, yep.
I'm sitting here wondering, like, what broke me? It's them freaking gills. Retie real quick. Retied and threw back out. That was a big ladyfish. Oh yeah, like a baby tarpon. Bass? Yep. Nice. Little bass, yeah. Right where you think a bass would be. Yeah. It's a littler one, huh? There he is. I don't know what it is. What is that? Yeah. That's like going to the grocery store over there. They just go through that current and pick up something to eat. Little fast food area. There's another one. Oh, I lost him. They're there. Well, we went from nothing to like 4 redfish bites in a minute. Yeah. It seemed like. Yep. We were just doing what they weren't. Exactly. They were just doing something a little different today.
Like you said, we covered a lot of ground, and I was in the wrong spot. Or I took us to.
Well, I mean, based on what you've been doing, those spots were good. Yeah. It's just for some reason. Look at that.
One pier, if he does it right there at the end, I mean, it's a big light too.
There he is.
There you go.
Yep. Camera, get it. Are you gonna get this before your battery dies? Oh, get up here. I gotta get you in for the camera. I'm sorry. You ain't even that big. It's a catfish.
What in the world?
There's a good catch and cook hardhead.